Good morning, everyone. Today is my first day at school. I feel a little nervous. My heart is beating fast. But I am also excited. If you like school stories like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. My name is Ananya. I was 5 years old.
It's gonna be okay, sweetie. You're gonna have a great day at school.
Okay, Mommy. Mom, I feel scared.
Do not worry. You will make new friends.
We will come to pick you up. Have a wonderful day at school, sweetie.
We know you'll do great on your test. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Ananya.
Welcome, Ananya.
Great job, everyone. As you can see, we have the letters A, B, and C.
Today, we will learn letters.
These letters.
Write A slowly.
Like this.
Very good, children.
You finished it. That looks amazing.
I did it! I drew the whole rainbow.
Yay!
It is break time.
Yay! Woo!
Come, let us play. That looks like so much fun. Let us play catch. Yay!
How was your first day?
My teacher is kind.
Did you learn something?
I learned A, B, C.
Did you make friends?
Yes, Ria is my friend.
We are proud of you.
I want to go again tomorrow.